Hello, Python enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we'll delve into the concept of constants in Python. While Python doesn't have constants like some other languages, we can still adopt certain practices to achieve similar behavior. Let's explore how we can create and use constants effectively in Python. To create a constant in Python, you simply assign a value to a variable and follow the naming convention. For example, pi equals 3.14159 or max_value equals 100. These variables, in uppercase, act as constants throughout your program. To create a constant in Python, you simply assign a value to a variable and follow the naming convention. For example, pi equals 3.14159 or max_value equals 100. These variables, in uppercase, act as constants throughout your program. Using constants in your code brings several benefits. It enhances code readability, makes it easier to maintain, and reduces the chances of unintended changes to critical values. Imagine having radius equals 5 and pi equals 3.14159. If we use area equals pi asterisk, radius 2, it's clear that pi is a constant value in this context. When working with constants in Python, it's crucial to follow conventions and best practices. Always use uppercase letters, and consider grouping constants in a separate module if they're widely used across your project. This not only enhances readability, but also helps in organizing your code effectively. While constants are a good practice, it's important to note that Python is a flexible language. Variables can be reassigned, even if we follow naming conventions. This flexibility is a strength of Python, but requires diligence from developers. Always be mindful of this flexibility, and adopt good coding practices to ensure the intended behavior of your constants. In summary, while Python doesn't have a specific constant keyword, we can create and use constants by following naming conventions. This enhances code readability and helps in maintaining a clear structure.